Hey Jolies, I'm back with another lip combo for you guys. That's the product I'll be using: a brown lip liner, dark brown lip liner, pink lipstick, and a lip gloss. Now going in with the dark brown lip liner, lining my lips. You can go ahead and do that with any liner of your choice. This one I just get from the beauty supply store. If it's your first time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. So yes, now I'm using this pink lipstick. It's from Rubik's or Absolute, I don't remember. And now I'm going in with lightest concealer that I own in the middle for some brightness and that powder lip look. So yeah, so far it's looking good. And now going over with this lip gloss. It's from Victoria's Secret. I believe it's cotton candy. So yeah, that's the look, you guys. Just some finishing touch. So yeah, let me know what you guys think and what other lip combo I should do next. Bye.